Alright, so today is Friday the 27th, March 27th, and this is what Hunter and I are going to do. Mostly me. Hunter's behind the camera. I am going to take my Kawasaki Mule. Right now it has a soft top, the whole soft top system, and I put my hard top back on, which normally it's just the soft doors, soft top, but I modified some things, so I put my hard top back on. What I'm going to do is fold the back seat up and extend my bed from, come up here and show them real quick. So my bed's going to be going from this big to almost twice as big. So Hunter's going to do his best to kind of videotape for me. So I'm going to start by opening this up, and you can see that I have like a divider window. I can zip up almost like a limousine type thing. So once I get this open stuff, and if I want, I'll zip that up if I decide to leave this in the configuration. So this is what you do. You don't have to get too close. You undo this. I'm going to undo it on both sides. But while I'm over here, I'm just going to undo this. I have to undo these buckles here. You have to loosen up this back window. There's like 3 sets of buckles, just like that. They're already all undone. I know I might have to undo this, so this part right here, you can see flips up. Once I have it, this back rack pushed all the way up here, to dump it, I have to be able to open this back half of the roof and stuff. So, but I'm just gonna get the bed transformed first. So I've got that taken care of. You got to undo this thing, this little bar, just kind of hit it up, and this velcros out just like that. This has got to be, here, film down here for a second. You kind of see when that bar goes up and down, it latches in there and it grabs that hook right there. So when you open this thing up over here, it unlatches that bed. So come on around this other side, Hunter. I'm gonna repeat the process over here with this latch up. Undo these buckles. Like I said, there's like 3 of them. 2 of them are like the snap buckles, and 1 is the kind that you have to feed through. It's not a big deal. For the 5 minutes that it takes, if that, to do this process, I don't know if you caught that, Hunter, but push that up like that, and when you do that, you can see this arm. Put that back together. You can see this arm right here, and it's on a rod, and it undoes this thing right here. You can see how it's got a hook. There's a hook down in there. So now the seat tips forward like that. All right, and then now I'm going to be able to start sliding. If I'm not mistaken, I want to make sure I don't have. This should start sliding forward. See how it's kind of catch this part right here. Here, actually, let's go back around here so I can see this. You can see these panels right here. These are accordioned up together, and so watch when I pull on this back rack, how they start spreading. So I'm gonna go a good ways, and I'm gonna go over to the other side. That's where it helps if you got 2 people. Well, you can do it with 1. You just don't want to make sure you pull on. You want to pour it relatively even. Let me see if I can flip this. Watch yourself, so you guys can see this. Like that. Like that. All right, so you can see how much bigger that bed is. Pull this in a little bit more. Then come over here, Hunter. And then just like these latches held the back seat down and stuff, now you put them back on, but now they're holding a different part of the bed. Now to dump it, you have to come back, you have to undo these to dump it. But at least it secures it. Show it on this side. There we go. We're good to go. Now you can kind of need to do a little thing. So you can see the bottom of the seat's folded down. This is the back of the seat now, and you can see how much more space this thing has now. It went from, you can see the line of the dirt right here was darker, so you gained that much real estate for the bed and stuff. So now it makes it look like a truck. Look at that thing. Let me see, I'll take the camera for a second. That's Hunter. Thanks, Hunter.
Hi, you're welcome.
Look at that. Look at the size of that bed now. So we're going to scoop this pile up, and then we're going to go to the backyard, and we are going to fill in, get a bunch out of our fire pit. We had a few fires this week to trim up some stuff. So anyway, so that's that. And like I said, this, I can take this back panel off. It zipped the whole window. It zips off, and then and I can just have that window up in the back part if I want. But more than likely, once I work today, I'm going to transform it back. We'll see. All right. Thanks, Hunter, again.
Yep.